Man, these bitches on my line. Naomi, I ain't giving them no time unless you rockin' with me fully and running up dollar signs. I need comments, baby, and pussy from time to time. If you function with the grind, then maybe we both shine.
What up, everybody? It's your boy, man, King of Gods, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get the shooting badges the easiest way, the easiest method, in my opinion. And first, before we get to the video, I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to the channel for future great content and like the video. That's all I'm asking. And just to get into it, the player that I'm got to get these shooting badges is the playmaking first, sharpshooter second. So I will be showing you some extra tips to get the playmaking badges at the same time as the sharpshooting badges in one shot. So first off, you got to get the ball first. And if you want to make it easier, look, first off, soon you get the ball, you want to go right up in the corner, shoot the ball. Bam, that easy. And as you can see, the defender went up against the shooter, and that helps deep range Deadeye, corner specialist. And if you want to get catch and shoot as well, just call for the ball in the corner, and soon you catch it, just shoot the ball. And as you can see right now, I'm about to show you again. So and if you want to get ankle breaker as well, green, hit 2 dribbles, go to the corner, and you also can go in the corner, get the ball. And for some reason, once you get the ball in the corner, they back up for a little bit sometimes. And once you get the ball, just do 2 dribble moves and then shoot the ball, and that'll go down for ankle breaker, deep range Deadeye if the defender goes up on you. And as you can see right here, watch me take the screen and hit the 3 right there. Bam, that's pick and roll maestro, ankle breaker, deep range Deadeye. Also put the game difficulty on pro. And for the playmakers, if you're a playmaking and sharpshooter, I'm going to show you a tip to get ankle breaker, pick and roll maestro. As you can see, I hit the 2 dribbles to get ankle breaker, and I'm gonna take the screen for pick and roll maestro. Bang, that's already 2 badges. Bam, contested shot, deep range Deadeye, maybe a limitless range. And if you missed anything, just go back to the video and rewatch it, because it's always there. And yeah, that's it for the video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to the video.